Introducing the Magnasonic UC22 Ultrasonic Cleaner. Magnasonic is the leader in ultrasonic cleaners. The UC22 features a large 20-ounce water tank to accommodate a variety of items, from nighttime retainers and mouth guards to makeup brushes and eyeglasses, and even your valuable jewelry. Using an optimal 40 kHz frequency, it attacks stuck-on grime and dirt to clean to a shine. The included basket keeps your items in the most optimal position within the tank. Not sparkling enough? Not a problem. Increase the cleaning time with 5 different cleaning cycles with the tap of a button. For an added boost, you can also add some common dish soap to really help get into those small spaces. Your items will go from looking like this to this. A difference you can see and feel. Be sure to check out more of our videos here on the channel. Thanks for watching.